Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Talk English.
We're very happy you're here to learn with us today.
Today's topic is small but very powerful in English. Many learners see these words every day but still feel confused.
Yes, these tiny words create big problems. But don't worry. Today we make it simple and clear.
By the end of this episode, you will finally understand when to use be, been, and being without confusion.
So relax, listen carefully, and let's begin this easy and useful lesson together.
First, let's talk about the word be. This is the base form of the verb. It is the original form. We use be after modal verbs like will, can, should, must. For example, I will be happy. You should be careful.
That's right. Whenever you see a modal verb, the next verb stays in base form. You don't change it. You don't add anything. Just remember, modal verb plus be.
Now let's look at some more examples. She will be here soon. They can be very noisy. We must be on time.
Very simple, right? If you see will, can, must, should, your brain should immediately think be. This rule works almost every time. It's a very safe and useful rule.
Now let's move to the second word, been. This word is used in perfect tenses. You will mostly see it with has, have, or had. For example, I have been tired.
Yes, been is the past participle of be. Whenever you see have or has or had, you should think about been, like, she has been busy. They have been friends for years.
Notice something important here. We are talking about a situation that started in the past and is still true now. That's why we use present perfect. I have been sick since Monday.
Another example. We have been waiting for 2 hours. The waiting started in the past and is still happening. So we use been with have.
Now comes the third word, being. This one is used in continuous forms. It shows an action happening right now or around now. For example, he is being rude.
This sentence is very interesting. He is rude is his personality. But he is being rude means he is acting rude right now. This behavior is temporary.
Excellent point. Being often shows temporary behavior. Like, you are being very quiet today. This is not your normal personality.
We also use being in passive continuous sentences. For example, the car is being repaired. The action is happening right now.
Let's compare all three together in simple examples. I will be late. Future with modal. I have been late before. Perfect tense.
And now the third, I am being late today because of traffic. You can clearly see the difference when you put them side by side. Each one has its own job.
Another set. She will be a doctor. She's been a doctor for 5 years. She is being very helpful today.
When you see these patterns many times, your brain starts to recognize them automatically. You don't need to translate in your head, you just feel which one is correct.
A good tip is to practice by making your own sentences. Take one subject and try 3 sentences with be, been, being. This practice is very powerful.
For example, they will be at home. They have been at home all day. They are being very noisy at home.
Practice like this every day for 5 minutes. Soon these words will become natural for you. You will stop feeling confused.
Remember, grammar becomes easy when you see patterns. And today, you learned 3 very important patterns. That's a big step forward.
So today we learned the simple secret behind be, been, and being. Small words, but very important.
Yes, and now you can use them with confidence in your daily English.
Practice these examples, make your own sentences, and you will see fast improvement.
Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next Smart Talk English episode.